I woke up this morning. My woman says, "Where's James?"
Hello, mate.
Yeah, the old trip has it, mate. All this stuff's so rapid set now. Floor and stuff. Yeah, James is fairly accurate with the plasterboarding. Three men to put up a bead, this is what we call.
Need the old goggles,
This is how they do it on the gas board.
16-minute makeover.
Yeah.
Get the paint on the go now.
The country is gripped in the middle of a political crisis at the moment. Boris is being questioned on where he got the money from to decorate his flat. Yeah, now I know you're not politically motivated as such, but decorating is your specialist subject.
Yeah,
so, do you think that the reason it costs so much money is because he used Dulux?
100%.
And do you think he went to the Dulux Trade Centre?
He probably did, and he also went on a course as well, I think, and they sold it to him.
That was his mistake. Yeah, he probably went along there like he does, visiting places. They got him to put on the overalls and the old dodgy rubber gloves,
Yeah.
and they gave him a go, and he was totally convinced that Dulux, if you want to cover up, Dulux is better than any other paint out there.
100%, there we go.
That's what Charles he was doing it. He's on camera not doing it. Even worse. These labourers, they're like Tesco Sarnies, they've all got a sell by date. Look at that, eh? Free apprentice.
Yeah. Well done.
Yeah, I'm not too sure that squeegee thing from yesterday.
No.
No, I don't know whether, I suppose.
Mixing and matching their fittings as well. Yeah. Since they're rubbish. They, they come out of the box and got a little dink in them or something. But even then, I'd probably still put some silicone on because you don't want anything dripping through into the cupboard.
Jack, no, don't I?
And he's got
Had someone filming full of hop up.
Not yet, but I'm living in hope. You know, if you can't get a start, you got to kick that door open.
Get rid of that guitar.
snap the neck off in the door.